Okay, so we're heading down in the barn to do some network setup stuff. Got some heavy boxes I need to drive over there. I could carry it, but I wouldn't be tired. All right. Oops. Let's not do that. So back here we've got network box. That's a little bit more outdoor friendly, which is kind of the interior of this place anyways. In here I've got some Cat 6, but also our Starlink setup, which we're still waiting on a post for. I'm going to do a metal post mounting of it up here on the side, up near that building system up there. That's the plan. I think this is a little bit more north facing that way, which I think it prefers. But we're going to do some tests today and see what works best, north or south, because we put this on the south side facing too. So if it's better speed on the south, then that'll be good. We'll give it a shot. Just wanted to show the view from this spot here. It's pretty spectacular. You can see the ski resort off in the distance there. It's a nice view up here. Alright, so we're going to work on this thing here. This is the current networks box, which is just not going to do it. It's all jammed in there. It's got a bunch of gross stuff that's worked its way in there, so I'm hoping this new box will help protect it. We'll see.
Yeah. All the dust settles. It's a lot of bird shit, and there's a lot of bird poop and flies. So many dead flies. We had a bunch of flies in here before. Flies, or I forget what they're called. Whatever they are, they suck. They're everywhere. All right. XWC2000 wireless controller. Here's the wireless controller. This looks like PoE. XBR 4400 multi-WAN gigabit router. So this is the router. That's good. Something coming out of Zirkel here. Bring it a little closer. So that's our Zirkel system coming in. Let's see where it goes. Over here, then down and through the wall right there. If I recall, we got some stuff out here. Yeah, it's probably that other one. This one here comes in there. That's another one, something. I don't know what that is. That comes in here, goes across, and where? Into the box somewhere. Okay. Up into this. Something else. What the heck is that? No idea. Boy, okay. This looks like just a regular trend net switch here. Okay, well, guess I'll just take this controller and swap it out for mine. That's the plan. Okay. Starlink setup. Down there on the ground for now. Coming up this cable. Through the giant gap in the floor. And it runs over here, over all the bird poop. To my Starlink router that's in bypass mode. Powered up, I need to get that on a surge protector. And then it runs over here. Up into this monstrosity, which I'll try to tidy up a little bit because birds are gonna poop all over it because it's still in here. I saw him when I came back, so that motherfucker's gonna die. All right, and we got connection in the other house, so hooray. What more could you ask for? Okay, round two. So it looks like it just skipped over a little bit. So we're gonna do this again. The hard part's just getting it off the ground. It's so freaking heavy. Alright, so now we dismantle this monstrosity and switch it over to the new box. Boy, there's a lot though. Alright, let's just do it. Okay, so here's the idea. I've got this guy here. Get out of there.
switch with powered PoE. So that will consolidate a lot. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left over on that. And I've got this cable from the other one that we don't like, which I can probably just cut into here. And get the wires I need here. Let's hope. This is on fire. Okay. Get in there, buddy. All right. Let's go. There we go. Lights are on. We got lights. Good sign. All right. Back to the thing. All right, we gotta take this thing out. That'll do. All right, so I have to run back and grab one of these. Mini switch. PoE. Good. This one.